At REC, we consider ourselves a solar technology company. Independent Electric reached out to us about putting an installation of REC modules on their Santa Rosa office.
Here in Santa Rosa, we were able to install a system that consisted of 160 modules. Those modules are utilizing the in-phase technology from an inverter standpoint. That system works out to be 58 kilowatts of power output. That 58 kilowatts, we're offsetting about 90% of our electrical usage here at the branch, and the resulting carbon offset is 68 kilograms of carbon per year.
So we've installed some solar panels. REC as a partner. Yeah, I think it was easy because of the partnership. Sonopar had a lot to do with it. The resources that they provide made it easy for us to select contractor and work with REC.
So we needed to form a relationship with a regional distributor that could help us grow. We interviewed quite a few distributors and decided on Sonopar. One of the reasons we went Sonopar is because of Independent Electric Supply. And we needed a strong partner to make sure our brand was put out there. Independent Electric Supply and REC have grown tremendously in the last 2 years.